Yeah, I got you, bro.
I went to do my community service. Went to Petco to get my stick or the mouse. That
Yeah.
was in the car.
Oh, damn.
And I'm looking at the dash and the lock symbol light's flashing.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I see it. I see it.
So I'm not sure.
What the problem is, huh?
Everybody else I called, they didn't want to work with me. I'm 55. I got $60, but I'm gonna go back.
I know. I got you. Yeah, I know. I understand, bro.
I have to make it last till I got a card over a settlement that I'm getting either Friday or Monday.
Yeah.
But they don't do me no justice right now.
Right. Yeah. I got you, bro.
Because it don't make no sense. I replace the battery, you see the lights flashing like this.
Yeah, I see you. Let's see what we could do right quick.
And they said this is the only key fob they got.
There you go.
Now let's see what this
Yeah, go ahead. It starts. Yeah.